Let's explore NPM. What is NPM? We will go through the package manager and understand its functionalities. This is an introductory guide to NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. It is the default package manager for Node.js. It is used for installing, sharing, and managing dependencies in a Node.js project. NPM has two main components: the command line interface tool and the online registry. The command line interface tool is used for managing packages through commands. The online registry is a public database of JavaScript packages that you can search and use in your projects. A package is a folder containing reusable JavaScript code with a package.json file. Think of it as a pre-built module that you can easily incorporate into your project. Examples of packages include Lodash, which provides utility functions, Express, a web application framework in React, a user interface library. Here are a couple of common NPM commands that you'll use frequently. The first is npm install followed by the package name. This command installs a specific package into your project. The second is npm init. This command initializes a new project and creates a package.json file for you. The package.json file is a crucial part of any Node.js project. It contains metadata about the project, such as the name, version, and dependencies. The dependencies section lists all the packages that your project relies on, along with their version numbers. Here's an example of what a package.json file might look like. Here, the name is my project, version is 1.0.0, and it uses Express. NPM is essential for several reasons. It provides easy management of packages, allowing you to install and update them effortlessly. It also handles dependencies automatically, ensuring that all the necessary packages are installed and compatible with each other. In conclusion, NPM is the backbone of Node.js development. It is essential for managing packages and building modern applications. With NPM, you can easily reuse code, manage dependencies, and streamline your development process. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.